Turning your engine 39V3 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Power steering pump here is good, no damage, no broken. Only little bit bended from the side. On top, all the sockets in good conditions, no damage, no broken. Same as well the starter here. Gearbox from this side is good, no problem. And the alternator here, good, no damage, no broken. Sorry, just now I show you the water pump. This is the power steering pump. No damage, no problem. Turbo didn't see any damages from outside. Very nice, very good. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.